Alright, hello my fellow investors, it's the Intelligent Investor here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about AMC and GameStop and my predictions of when it will squeeze again. Now before we start the video, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. If you guys sign up with Acorns, you're going to be entered to win a free stock, and that stock will be Chevron. So this stock giveaway will be done by the end of this week, so sign up quickly guys. And also once we hit 6,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing another stock giveaway, and that stock will be Apple. So again, stay tuned, stay subscribed, hit the notification bell, and keep watching the video so you can see when we'll be doing that stock giveaway. Now jumping into the video, my predictions of when I feel that GameStop and AMC will squeeze again. Now, just before we start, know that I'm not giving you financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, and just know that the stock market is always a risk, and you can lose money, so only invest what you're willing to lose. That's my motto. Now as you see today, GameStop is up, AMC is down, but they have very similar patterns. Okay, you see here, now they're being traded the same way right now, which means that they're kind of being used in the same algorithm. And something you have to know, like when hedge funds trade and stuff like that, they set an algorithm. So the computers kind of do it themselves. So they said, oh, certain price buys, certain price limits, all that stuff. The computer knows it all. So they put an algorithm into it, and they buy and sell whenever, they hit those points that they want to hit. All right. So let's just start off with when I think it's going to squeeze. Now, if for me, in my opinion, the time I think is going to squeeze, it's going to be in the next pullback, which I feel like the next correction or the next dip in the market. Now, why do I think that? Because people have been overinflating the market, and the market is just too high up right now. A lot of people are like, hey, this is the best time to buy stocks because they're really down. It's not that they're really down. They're getting to the prices that they actually need to be. The market is correcting itself. The value stocks are actually going to their value because, like CCIV was at $60. That was way too overvalued. It's a $40 stock. Not yet, but it's going to be there. Right now, its valuation is between 25 to 30. So, it's being where it's supposed to be. A lot of stocks like NEO. NEO was way, where do I have that one? Let's see, it's here in EV. NEO is at $43. Its valuation is about $38. So this stock was hyperinflated as well. And as you see, it's coming down. It's kind of crashed, and it's getting back to its correctional price. Same thing with Tesla. Same thing with all these other stocks. They're kind of coming down because they're correcting. Now, AMC and GameStop, I feel the next correction, when the stocks come down again, like they did this time heavily, then they're going to start squeezing. Why is that? Because people that are invested into AMC and GameStop are pretty much YOLO people, right? They're like, screw it, let's put it in, let's go all out. And they have a lot of those stocks. They have stocks like NEO. They have a lot of these stocks that are in the inflated area. So when they see these stocks dropping in the next correction, which is probably going to drop another, I would say 5-10%. There's a possibility for that. So once the stocks start dropping, then they're going to see their portfolio go down a lot. And this is when the hedge funds, I believe, are going to start, pushing these stocks heavily down, so they can eventually buy a bunch of it and squeeze it back up. So if people are holding, and these stocks don't drop as much, then I feel like the squeeze is going to be high. I feel like GameStop could hit 200 in the next correction, over 200, and AMC could probably hit about $13. So that's something that I feel like is going to happen. So just be aware of that. I'm not sure if it's going to happen, but doing a lot of research, and I do a lot of research on this. I check so much work on this, and I do have friends on Wall Street. I used to work there before. And it's just, I just looked at the right places, and I feel that this is a possibility that this can happen. So I feel, again, in the next correction or in the next good drop of the market, these stocks are going to squeeze up. And this is just something that I want to tell you guys, people that are going to be watching this, that are subscribed to me and watching my videos. Let's see if this does happen. But like I said, I did do a lot of research, so I feel like this is going to happen. It's never a sure thing, but it's something that I do strongly feel that's going to happen. So as you see, it happened on the last one. All the stocks dropped and these stocks went up because these stocks heavily dipped down and then they just started shooting up. So that's, I think, the time that the hedge funds are waiting for. They're waiting for that moment for it to happen. So once they see people that the market's coming down, their portfolios are dropping down, they're going to panic sell, and then that's going to be their time to buy. So they're being patient as well. That's why these stocks are staying at a decent price. For this AMC, people are like, why is it not squeezing any higher? Because there's more shares available. So that's why it's not shooting up like GameStop. But GameStop, there's less ready available stocks. I mean, shares of the stock. So it's staying at a higher price. But this is showing that they're actually holding. So they're slowly moving up, and hedge funds and corporations are buying slowly into it. So it's kind of pushing the stock up. So just know the next squeeze that happens, it's going to have a huge crash as well. So don't be caught chasing, like I always say. Okay? So if you're going to buy at a lower point. But I still feel like they're really highly inflated. Big corporations are still going to push it down in the next crash, and then they'll squeeze it back up. So something you guys need to know about. That's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. Sorry. If you guys did like the video and found it informative, please like, share, and do subscribe, guys. Again, 6,000 subscribers gets you a free stock, or in the drawing for a free stock, sorry, and also signing up with Acorn. So that's all I wanted to talk about. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.